Okay guys, so I thought I'd give you a quick look at the plug and play harness that we have made for the LED strip light for the Transit Custom. So this one is quite an easy job. We will do it start to finish right now. So on the top here, we have 5 screws that be released to remove the chrome strip. Then you just pull it slightly towards you and off, and that is it. That is how it comes. Okay, that one's off. In your pack, so this is our harness for a plug and play. The earlier iterations had a tap for the roof light pods. That's no longer the case. It's just for the light strips here. So if you're installing a roof light pod, I would say get an auto elect to wire that one up for you. So here in your light strip will come with a harness with a connector on it, and then this one here has got the other end. So it's as simple as that. So we'll remove this one and we'll plug in our harness here. So this one's keywayed, so it can't go the wrong way. Push that in nice and firm, and then you can wind down the threaded portion to keep it in place. So this connector here, I would thread that just down in between the headlight down here. So you can drop that one down there. Your intake is there, so don't put it up the intake, but you'll feel it. And then you can pull it through, which is going to go to the back of this headlight here. That one's nice and easy. On the bottom here, these little fixing feet, they drop into these holes and then push slightly aft. So there's 5 of them. So as we push in here, you can feel it go in, and then it will click in like so. So then you've got 5 screws. Put on there. A Milwaukee electric ratchet does make it go a little bit faster. So here's your harness. So we disconnect the back of the headlight. We plug that one into there, and then you can tuck that harness back behind the battery, and your other one clips into there. So that then leaves you with this connector and that one. They join together. Again, they're keyed, so they only go right way. Probably wise, just stick a cable tie around this stuff here. Okay, so that is everything in. We will stick our ignition on and check it works. And there we go. Yeah, a couple of minutes, super quick and easy. So jump online, leightonvans.com.au. The harness is on there, the LED light strips are on there. Real nice addition to this magnetic grey Sport with the LVRF pack on it. Yeah, just ties the front end real nice.